Welcome to Unit 9, Job Search Practice. This unit is all about preparing you for the hiring process by focusing on essential communication and self-management skills for job applications. Why pay attention? You will understand the importance of job search skills and the hiring process companies use. You'll learn how to accurately fill in application forms, write structured and effective cover letters, and prepare a comprehensive professional CV. This unit will equip you to apply these skills in practical scenarios, building your confidence for the jobs market. How will it be taught? We'll begin with presentations and interactive discussions on job search importance and application forms. Videos will guide you on how to fill forms, write cover letters, and create a CV. You will have hands-on practice filling out application forms and writing your own cover letters based on templates. You will learn to build your CV on myguidance.ie and download it. Mock job search scenarios will help you assess your readiness. So get ready to master the art of job applications and stand out to potential employers.